Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that two types of tickets were sold for a concert held at an amphitheater. Tickets to sit on a bench cost $75 each, and tickets to sit on the lawn cost $40 each. The organizers announced that 350 tickets have been sold, and $19,250 has been raised through ticket sales alone. And we're asked to find a system of equations that can be used to find the number of bench seats, B, and the number of lawn seats, L, that were sold for the concert. So the first thing we notice is that 350 tickets were sold. So tickets equals 350. And we know that they were selling two types of tickets. They had bench tickets and lawn tickets. So the number of bench seats plus lawn seats have to be equal to the total number of tickets, because those are the only two types that were sold. And these have to be equal to 350. Therefore, bench seats B plus lawn seats L has to be equal to 350. So this is going to be our first equation. Our second equation is going to be based off the fact that the total sales were $19,250. So what do we get from that? Well, we know that, again, there are only two types of tickets. So therefore, the total sales must only be made up of sales from the bench seats plus sales from the lawn seats. How do we go about calculating what those are? Well, the sales that you got from the bench seats would be the number of seats times the cost of one. Right? So if you had 10 seats and they cost $5 each, you'd make $50, 10 times 5. Same thing with the lawn sale. Number of seats times the cost of one seat is going to give you your total sales for those tickets. And this is equal to $19,250. So now we can just plug in, because we have a bunch of information. The number of seats for the benches was B. The cost of a bench seat was $75, plus the number of lawn seats was L, and the cost of one we're told is 40. And now, just making this a little bit nicer, B times 75 is 75B, plus L times 40 is plus 40L, and this is equal to 19,250. And this is our other equation. And now we just have to see these two equations, which are the answers is that, well, D, we have 75B plus 40L is 19,250, B plus L is 350, D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.